A full-size mechanical keyboard includes the standard 104 or 105 keys, featuring a full-function row, number pad, navigation cluster, and alphanumeric keys. It provides a tactile typing experience with individual mechanical switches beneath each key, which enhances durability, responsiveness, and precision compared to membrane keyboards. Full-size layouts are especially useful for tasks requiring frequent data entry, such as accounting or gaming setups where a number pad and dedicated keys improve productivity and comfort. Mechanical keyboards are also highly customizable, allowing users to choose switches that fit their typing style, making them valuable for professionals, gamers, and enthusiasts who prioritize a reliable, long-lasting typing tool. In today's video, we will show you the top 5 full-size mechanical keyboard. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's jump right in. Starting of our list at number 5, Redragon K668. The Redragon keyboard impresses with hot swappable red switches that accommodate nearly all switch types on the market, whether 3-pin or 5-pin. Its linear mechanical switches offer a quiet and smooth typing experience, with soft key travel that ensures each press registers easily. Enhanced with 3.5mm sound-absorbing foam, it delivers a crisp typing sound, free of any unpleasant noise. Designed with a full-size 108-key layout, it supports 104-key anti-ghosting to allow simultaneous keystrokes and includes 4 extra shortcut keys for added convenience. The RGB lighting is another highlight, offering up to 19 preset backlighting modes, adjustable brightness and speed, along with a music sync mode that creates an immersive, dynamic light show. For comfort, the ergonomic design features 2-stage adjustable feet that reduce wrist strain, while the colorful mixed keycaps add a fun, customizable touch to the experience. With support for advanced customization through Redragon software, users can create their own modes, effects, and macros for optimized gaming and productivity. Here is the item number 4, AULA F99. The AULA F99 wireless mechanical keyboard impresses with its versatile multi-device connectivity, featuring Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB wired modes, allowing seamless switching across up to 5 devices for work, gaming, or study needs. This hot swappable keyboard offers extensive customization options, enabling users to easily replace switches and keycaps without soldering, making it an excellent choice for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts. Equipped with pre-lube linear switches, the F99 provides smooth, responsive keystrokes, which enhances both typing comfort and gaming performance. Its 16 RGB lighting effects create an immersive atmosphere, and with full macro customization support, users can tailor every key's function and lighting to their preferences, including dynamic music rhythm effects. Designed with a unique gasket structure and PCB single-key slotting, it optimizes stability and reduces noise, resulting in a softer, more enjoyable typing feel. The keyboard's 8000 mAh rechargeable battery provides extended usage, and the durable PBT keycaps ensure longevity with vivid, fade-resistant characters, making the F99 a powerful, durable, and feature-rich keyboard that stands out for both productivity and gaming. The item number 3, Logitech G413. The Logitech G413 SE keyboard is designed for gamers seeking durability, performance, and a sleek aesthetic. Its full-size layout, paired with PBT keycaps, offers a robust, heat and wear-resistant design that withstands intense gaming sessions. With tactile mechanical switches, this wired keyboard delivers precise, responsive keystrokes essential for competitive play. The black brushed aluminum top case and white LED backlighting lend a premium look to any setup, and the 6-key rollover anti-ghosting technology ensures that every command is reliably registered, even during the most rapid sequences. 12 function keys allow easy media control, including volume adjustments, play/pause, and lighting toggles, adding convenience for multitasking gamers. Built with a sturdy aluminum magnesium alloy frame, the G413 SE resists flex, providing a solid typing and gaming experience. For those who prefer a more compact setup, a tankless (TKL) version is also available, delivering the same performance in a smaller footprint, making it a versatile choice for any gaming setup. Number 2 on our list, Redragon K582. The Redragon K582 gaming keyboard is an impressive choice for both gaming and productivity, thanks to its pluggable Redragon red switches, which offer a smooth, linear feel without any tactile bump, making key presses swift and effortless. With its 100% anti-ghosting 104-key setup, users can execute complex combinations without missed inputs, and the keyboard's fully programmable layout allows for custom key assignments and macros, perfect for intense gaming sessions. Its dynamic RGB backlighting, featuring 6 themes in 18 models, adds visual flair while allowing visibility in low-light conditions, with adjustable brightness to suit any environment. Built for durability, the keyboard can withstand up to 50 million keystrokes, and its solid construction and double-injection ABS keycaps ensure long-term reliability. Compatible with major operating systems like Windows and Mac OS X, and featuring a USB golden-plated port for stable data transmission, the Redragon K582 is a dependable, high-performance keyboard ideal for gamers and professionals alike. The top one in our list, Redragon K556. The Redragon K556 keyboard sets a new standard for customization and durability with its true hot swap compatibility, supporting over 99.8% of switches available on the market. Thanks to its exclusive socket design, swapping switches is now easier and more stable than ever, reducing wobble and making modding accessible to everyone. Built with a premium aluminum board, the K556 combines strength and style, adding a sleek, brushed metal look that enhances any desk setup. The hot swappable brown switches offer a satisfying tactile feel and smooth key travel, making each keystroke effortless to register. With vibrant RGB lighting, users can choose from up to 20 preset modes, adjusting brightness and speed to match their style and mood. Plus, the keyboard's software adds even more customization, enabling users to create unique lighting modes and assign custom macros for work or gaming efficiency. For anyone looking to elevate their typing and gaming experience, the Redragon K556 delivers unmatched versatility, aesthetic appeal, and reliability. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best full-size mechanical keyboard amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.